That is smoke detector number 1. This is my bedroom. Okay, under the door, smoke detector number 2. 1, 2. Alright? Here is the front hallway. Look, all that. No smoke detectors. There's the window over the front door. See? No smoke detectors. Okay? Here's the living room. Okay? Living room, all the way over here. See that thing in the corner? That's the little red light that I'm scared is going to eat me sometimes. But no smoke detectors. Over here. Over here. Ceiling fan. Look, still no smoke detectors. Oh, here's my dining area. Well, actually home office. No smoke detectors. Here comes the kitchen. Kitchen. Dining room. Look at that. What's missing? Smoke detectors. Let's keep going down this hallway to the other bedrooms. Oh, looky here. A smoke detector right in front of the kids' bedrooms. A smoke detector right there. See it? Right there. In my son's room. Hallway. Smoke detector. Daughter's room. Hallway. Son's room. I don't think there's one in the bathroom. Oops. Nope, none in the bathroom. In conclusion, 3 smoke detectors in this little area of the house. None in all this huge area of my house. None of this has smoke detectors. But yet, over here, again, there are 2. See? 2. And none over there at all. Huh. Go figure.